archives. It doesn't just echo, it engraves. Because when I remember, I reign. When I recall, I release. This is not nostalgia, it's navigation. Not just memory, but mantle. And I will remember until the scroll